Hey guys, Lex over here, and I'm standing in front of a house that I just recently purchased for a fix and flip. Fixed it up, put it on the market, and it was actually sold and about to close to a new buyer in a few days. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so now we're inside the house, and this look that we have here is the brown natural color, which works very well. If you look at a lot of home builders, they use this color theme. And for good reason. It's a very warm emotion, right? So we've got the light tan paint, we've got wood laminate flooring, and we're actually using a two-tone on the wood laminate flooring. And then in the kitchen behind me, we've got the brown theme coming out as well. In fact, let's go ahead and walk over and take a look at that kitchen. Okay, so this kitchen over here, we're using once again the brown theme, right? So we've got brown granite countertops, and we're using a brown backsplash, brown cabinets, and then we're putting it all together with the stainless steel appliances. So we've got a stainless steel sink, stainless steel faucets, stainless steel appliances, brown cabinets, brown backsplash, and the brown granite, right? Now the tile that we use for the floor, and this is just standard tile that you can buy at Home Depot for like 69 cents a square foot. It's also got that light brown tan, neutral color to it, which works really well. This is what buyers like, and if you're going to spend money on a house, make sure you do it in the kitchen, because that's where you'll really get some bang for your money. Let's go ahead and take a look and show you the rest of the house. Okay, and this is one of the bedrooms, and as you can see, it's the same theme as before, same color paint, same laminate flooring. This is a very warm theme, as I mentioned before, that buyers love, right? This specific house we put on the market, and it's sold within 3 days of hitting the MLS. I bought this house from a motivated seller, actually a seller that was moving into an assisted living facility, for $120,000. We spent about $25,000 repairing it, and it's going on the market. I should say it went on the market for $209,000, and as I mentioned, it's already under contract and should be closing in a few days. So pretty good profit margin on this house. That's how a fix and flip works, right? And I'd like to teach you how to do that too. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that subscribe button, and like this video. And if you want to learn how to fix and flip, guys, I highly suggest you come to my Fix and Flip Bootcamp, because I teach people how to do this. I've taught a lot of students how to do this. In fact, I've got quite a few videos of those students right here on this YouTube channel, and I'd like to teach you too. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.